Good morning, welcome back to the channel. It's really early, it's 20 after 6. I'm really tired, but I'm in Cuba. So, I'm going to get a coffee and hopefully gonna go find some birds. Let's go. Found the coffee. Well, that was the best coffee I've had so far here. There might be a new plan today. I might actually look for the sunrise. It looks like a beautiful morning. Check this out. I'm thinking I'm gonna go down to the beach. Oh my god, I almost ate shit on that step. I'm not awake yet, but that coffee was so good. I'm gonna head down to the beach. I did sneak out yesterday. Found a couple birds. I think this one was my favorite. It's a red-legged thrush. I missed a heron that I was really mad about. I scraped the ground with my tripod, my monopod. So there's a lot of birds I want to find here in Cuba. A lot of potential for some lifers. I'm super stoked already with the ones I got. This was another one. I think a great lizard cuckoo bird or something. It was really cool. So hopefully find these guys again in some better light, and hopefully find some of their friends that I've never seen before. Oh, this place is so beautiful though. It's not even 7 o'clock in the morning, and the only reason I'm wearing pants is because I want to walk in some of the bushes, and could be thorns or bugs, I don't know. Oh man. So if you're new to the channel, on this channel I basically just do a POV style recording of when I go birding. I'm not a professional. I have a semi-professional camera, Sigma 150 to 600 millimeter lens on a crop sensor camera, so I get about 950, 960 mils on full frame equivalent. So nice and zoomed in, and I love this hobby. And on this channel you can just sort of see what it's like to go birding in different places, what you might find, sort of things that I do to find birds, to get better shots, things I've learned over the years. So thank you all for watching. If you want to like and subscribe, I've got more videos coming. This is my style, and this is why I do it. It's so peaceful when you get up in the morning, just look for some birds. This place is hopping all day, all night, but early in the morning there's no one up. This resort's absolutely fantastic. Maybe I'll give a little tour later about my room or the area that I've been in, so stay tuned for that. So that heron's out across the water there, and I have my settings dialed in where I would normally never use such a low shutter speed. I'm at like 1/200th of a second, but the monopod will help with that. And I know it's not a stunning photo, but hopefully it's enough to ID the bird. Might go across the bridge and have a look. Either way, I know the sun's gonna come from that side, so I'm not gonna have good light on this bird anyway. So I may as well try to go get him now. Seeing if I forgot anything. Good morning. Oh, beautiful. There's another bird right here. I didn't even see him. Let's do the same thing. Just try to get a quick shot here. So I think these are two different herons. Incredible. We'll get a bit closer, get another shot, get a little closer, get another shot. Yes. Okay. This guy still hasn't moved on me, so now I'm gonna put the monopod on background. So the black one just flew away. But that one's cooperating more. Oh yeah. Beautiful. Actually, I can see the little sandpiper on the beach there too. Cool. Hey, buddy. Nice. So I think it's almost time for the sun to rise. So I'm just gonna go back over here and take a shot of the sunrise with my phone and then get back to the video. So the sunrise looks freaking fantastic. I'm gonna put the GoPro back on my head mount, take a few shots, and then we'll get going. That one. These beautiful rays are starting to poke their head through. All right. Let's go birding. There's that heron again. Okay. And this is why I wore pants, even though it's hot. Cool. Oh. Cool. Yeah. So there's still not a lot of light here, but I'm getting some birds. Oh yeah. All right. Well, let's go back and continue down the path and see what else we can find. Morning. There's a bird there on the fence. Right here on the fence. Nice. Okay. Oh, beauty. Okay. cool. Still just a little shy on light, but this might be a good spot with the sun coming in from this side. I think I see a couple different birds too. That's a different bird. This little mockingbird type thing is still here. That's a nicer shot. Cool. Some sort of dove. There's many different types of doves here. So that dove was the one with the reddish wings that I just saw. Oh, yes. He's beautiful looking. I saw him last night. That's the red-legged thrush. They're very common here apparently, and they're really cool looking. What is that? That is loud. Might have been one of those thrushes again. Hey buddy, there's a little chihuahua. I can't not take a picture of him. So, down on the first part of Pesquero Beach. God, there's some beautiful light coming through here. Morning.
Morning. How are you, Frank? It's okay? Good? Yeah, good.
Jeez.
What do you see?
Birds.
Birds. Oh, that's a monkey.
This blackbird's in a nice spot up there. Hey, buddy. That's a good shot. I think that's a yellow rump warbler. We have those a lot in Canada in the summer. It's like, why would you leave this place and come to Canada? This is so beautiful here. Cool thing about here though is I find the warblers are often down on the ground or low in the trees, sort of acting like chickadees in Canada. Very friendly, whereas up in Canada they're very, I find, skittish because they're mating in Canada. That's why they come. So, kind of interesting. Well, I think I'm gonna start heading back towards my hotel. That's part of mine there, the white one. This is Pesquero Beach. Beautiful. Might have been in northern Peru. I'm not sure. That's something, obviously, but I don't know what that is. That's cool. I'd love it if one of them would get in this tree here with the light. Actually, there is one in that tree with the light. Beautiful. That's cool. I don't know what that bird was. He's pretty. I like that one. Nice. He's sitting so still for me there. He still hasn't moved. Wow. Hey, buddy. Cool. That's obviously another lifer, because I don't even know what it is, but we're gonna find out. He's got a beautiful little orange face. I think I remember seeing him in the app. I just don't remember what it's called. Those are epic. So if you're new to this channel and you might have been wondering why I just took like 20 photos, My camera's set to high speed mode, so if I hold the trigger, I can just take as many photos as it can take. And I do that basically because birds are constantly moving and they're hard to sort of get the right pose. So I find if you burst shot, sometimes you'll get one in a better position than if you were just trying to time one shot. The downfall to this is, I guess, taking multiple photos. It fills up your memory card, it uses your shutter button more, it causes your camera to think more, that type of thing. And then also, of course, once you get home, it's hard to pick through the photos and pick a best one. Usually in Lightroom I just zoom in really close and compare, put two side by side and look at the details, the eye, the feathers. Sometimes one of them will have slightly better details than the other. But now I'm on my way down here to where those herons were this morning, and I just want to see if there's anything else down here now that there's a lot more light. But I gotta be really careful because I know the herons will run away quick if they hear me. Beautiful. Nice. I think that's about the best shot I can get of him unless he was in the light. Can't wait to go swimming here. Now, this is where the decisions become bigger than sort of my own photos, and I'm not going to get any closer to this guy because I've already got a pretty good photo of him. I mean, either way, it's not going in National Geographic, so at this point I like to back up slowly and just sort of leave him be. All right, buddy. It's only 7:41. Like, what? In Canada, the golden light really lasts for like 2 hours. Here it's gone. It's so bright. It's still kind of nice over here where it's diffused through the trees, but that little sandpiper's still here. It's probably the same one that I saw yesterday and early this morning. Morning.
Good morning to you. Good morning.
Good morning. Oh, there, the sandpiper's in the light now. The heron's still chilling right there. That's funny. Oh man, it's so beautiful here. Oh dude, there's a huge bird, a vulture, on one of the poles. Oh, that looks sick. Come on, peek your head out. there's a bird in here. It's one of those thrushes. I can see his red legs. Ooh. There's some cattle egrets. Got a good photo of those yesterday. They come right up to the pool and freaking drink out of it. These guys in here. Hey, buddy. That's a palm warbler, I believe. See how he's on the ground? In Canada, that's so hard to get. There he is in the light. I think it's a yellow, maybe a yellow rump. Hey, buddy. What about this? Is this a palm warbler in a palm tree? All right. Well, if you're still watching, thanks for watching. I had a great time. It's starting to get nice and hot, so I need to get out of these pants. I need to get another coffee, probably a beer for breakfast. Well, hopefully you enjoyed the video. I saw quite a few lifers for me and just got to explore some of Cuba and see what kind of birds are around here. I barely even went off resorts, so by doing that I saw so many. I can't even imagine how many you'd find if you were sort of in a national park or a wild spot. So maybe I'll head out one of these days to go there, but until then, stay tuned for the next video. Thanks for watching.